Hello, my beautiful fitness friend. We're back with another awesome workout that's going to leave your back feeling pumped and powerful. Before we start, let's talk about maximizing your gains. Here are just a few things to remember. First, focus on that mind-muscle connection. Really feel each rep. Next, keep the tension on your muscles throughout the entire movement. Don't forget, breathe. Exhale on the exertion and inhale on the return. One of the most important tips I have is never sacrifice form for weight. Quality over quantity, always. Also, back days are pull days, which means you're pulling weight toward your body, and that can be challenging. Thanks to my beautiful, delicious husband, I am a believer in Versa grips, which are a total game changer for pulling weight. They really help to keep your hands from becoming super fatigued, and I highly recommend them. First up, we've got the mid-chest row, and we're doing these with handles. These bad boys target your middle back, rhomboids, and rear delts. Here's how to do it. Stand facing the cable machine, feet shoulder-width apart or in a comfortable position. Grab the handles at chest height, arms extended, and palms facing in. Pull the handles toward your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Then slowly return to the starting position. We're doing 3 sets of 12 reps per set, increasing the weight with each set. Remember, slow and controlled is the name of the game here. This exercise is fantastic for improving posture and building that thick, defined back we all desperately want. I went just a little heavy during my last set and ended up dropping the weight down by 3 pounds to finish the set. Just know there is absolutely nothing wrong with doing that. Much better to have great form than to lose your form because you're trying to lift way too much weight. Ain't nobody got time to get injured. Next up, it is the half kneeling lat pull down. This cool variation is easier on your lower back and really isolates those lats. Let me break it down for you. Facing the cable machine, kneel down on one knee. Grab the handles with your arms extended overhead, palms facing out. Pull the handles down to your chest, focusing on using your back muscles. Then, slowly return to the starting position. Again, we're doing 3 sets with 12 reps per set, progressively increasing the weight. This exercise is key for building that V taper and improving your pull-up strength. I am so grateful to my husband who has all the patience in the world and genuinely listens when I talk about how I want to map out my workout and why. And he is so nice to give me all the fantastic feedback. I love bouncing questions and ideas around with him. It is so helpful to my performance and achieving my goals. Next, let's move on to face pulls. This underrated exercise is crucial for shoulder health and upper back development. Here's how to do it. Set the cable at upper chest height or above. Grab the rope attachment with both hands, step back, and pull the rope toward your face, elbows high and out. Squeeze your shoulder blades at the end of the movement, and then slowly return to the starting position. We're sticking to our 3 sets with 12 reps per set, increasing the weight with each set. Face pulls are amazing for improving posture and balancing out all that pushing we do in our workouts. Last but not least, we've got the straight arm pull down. This exercise is a lat destroyer and will give you that sought after mind-muscle connection that you are searching for. Let's get to it. Stand facing the cable machine. Grab the rope attachment with straight arms, arms extended overhead. Pull the rope down toward your thighs, keeping your arms straight. Then slowly return to the starting position. You know the drill by now. We're doing 3 sets with 12 reps per set and increasing the weight with each set. This exercise is perfect for targeting the lower lats and creating that wide, powerful look. Here, I'm telling my husband that during the last set, I felt a new and very weird sensation when I was bringing the rope back to the starting position. It seriously felt like there was a ripple of sorts in my lats, starting from the bottom and going all the way to the top of the muscle. Did I just graduate to a whole new level of mind-muscle connection? Because I'm here for it. During my 3rd set, I could feel that I was starting to lose my form because I was feeling fatigued and the weight was a little heavy, so I lowered the weight down until I found a comfortable but still challenging zone. Again, there is nothing wrong with lowering the weight. Better that than an injury. And there you have it, my beautiful friend, a killer back workout that'll have you looking and feeling stronger in no time. Drop a comment below and let me know which exercise was your favorite. I would love to know. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.